In crypto world, thousands of coins launched every single day. And let's be honest, most of them are scams. But what if I told you there's a way to spot the next 100x project before anyone else? This is where millionaires are made. I've analyzed over 100 plus whale wallets and uncovered some shocking strategies they use to find these hidden gems. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, step by step, and potentially catch the next meme coin before it skyrockets. By the end, you will be an expert at finding next 10x or 100x and even 1000x meme coin. So watch this video carefully because it will change your life. So without any delay, let's get into the video. The first strategy to spot meme coins before they skyrocket is to track whale wallets. These wallets belong to large crypto holders who often have insider knowledge or extensive research teams identifying promising projects early. By following what they're buying, you're essentially piggybacking on their expertise. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do you track these whales? Well, there are specific tools that make this process easy. Like Nansen and DeBank, these platforms monitor on-chain activity showing you the wallets of big players and exactly what they're buying or selling in real time. Not only that, but you can even set up notifications to track when whales make new investments. But simply following the whales isn't enough. After all, not every meme coin gives a 100x return. Some are scams, so how do you avoid falling into that trap? Let's dive into the next crucial step, validating the token and avoiding scams. In the world of meme coins, the risk of rug pulls, honeypots, and other scams is high. But the good news is, there are effective ways to protect yourself. One of the best methods is using tools like Token Sniffer or Dex Screener. These platforms allow you to analyze a token smart contract for red flags. For example, a honeypot is a type of scam where you can buy a token, but you can't sell it. Dex Screener can spot this by looking at the contract code and warning you of issues like hidden owners or modifiable fees that could be used to drain liquidity. Token Sniffer gives each token a safety score based on its contract. And if the score is low, it's often a major red flag. Once you've verified that the token is safe, the next step is tracking its social sentiment and hype. In the meme coin space, community and hype can make or break a project. Many successful meme coins, like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, exploded because of their strong and passionate communities. To assess this, you'll need to track social sentiment, how people are talking about the token across social platforms. Tools like LunaCrush and June Analytics help you monitor the hype around a token on Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, and other social platforms. These platforms give you real-time data on mentions, sentiment scores, and engagement levels, which can help you gauge whether a project has the potential to go viral. A key indicator to watch for is whether the token is gaining traction on multiple platforms simultaneously. If the project is trending on Twitter, being actively discussed on Reddit, and has a growing Telegram group, it's a sign that the community is gaining momentum. Now, while hype is really important, but it's not enough, you need a project with solid fundamentals to sustain that hype. So next step is to evaluate a meme coin's fundamental. To analyze the fundamental first, let's talk about liquidity. Liquidity is essential because it shows how easily you can enter or exit a position without massive price fluctuations. If a token has low liquidity, even small trades can cause big price swings, which could work against you when it's time to sell. You can check the token's liquidity on platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or DEX tools, which show how much capital is backing the token. Next, look at the trading volume. Sites like DEX tools or CoinGecko let you track the daily volume of any token, allowing you to see whether more people are trading it over time. A consistent increase in trading volume, paired with strong liquidity, signals that the coin has room to grow and can handle bigger waves of interest. Even with all the hype, liquidity, and volume, there's one crucial aspect left: the team behind the meme coin and their roadmap. First, check who's behind the project. Projects with anonymous developers can sometimes succeed, but transparency usually indicates accountability. A strong team with experience in blockchain or finance significantly boosts a project's credibility. Platforms like LinkedIn or even Twitter can give you insights into the team's background. Next is the roadmap. Meme coins can thrive on community support alone, but having a well-defined roadmap sets apart serious projects from short-lived ones. Look for milestones like upcoming exchange listings, collaborations, and feature rollouts. This will tell you whether the team is working on growing the project sustainably or just riding the hype wave until it crashes. Now you've got the complete strategy to find the next 100x meme coin before it blows up. But this is just one part of making money in the crypto world. If you're ready to explore more opportunities, check out my next video on the 4 best crypto side hustles. Don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.